Yuck! I did not want that in my picture. Elements makes it easy to cut out a distracting background or people you'd rather not have in your pictures. Cropping a picture lets you select the best areas of a picture and then trim out the unwanted parts. This is a picture I took of the waterfall near my home. You can see I caught part of the bridge when I took the picture. This would be a much better picture if the bridge wasn't there. In a few easy steps, this picture can be cropped to show only the best parts of the picture. Open the picture in elements you want to crop. The first thing you need to do is make a duplicate of your original picture. This is important. Once you crop the picture and save it, the original will be lost. At some point in the future, you might want to use the original in another project. Under File at the top of your screen, scroll down and choose Save As. When you do this, the Save As box will come up. Choose a new name for your file and then tell it OK. The next option you're going to get is the JPEG options box. I always choose to set this at the maximum setting so the best picture quality will come out. The next step is to choose the crop tool located at the left side of your screen. Once you've chosen the crop tool, go to the aspect ratio located at the top of the screen. The aspect ratio will give you options for the size, orientation, and resolution of the crop you are about to make. Use the drop-down list to view the crop size options. There are several different sizes of crops, including a no restriction choice, which allows you to crop however you want. I'm going to print this later, so I chose 5x7. Your size choice will be displayed on the right side of the drop-down box. The orientation of the crop can be changed from landscaped or wide to portrait, which makes the crop tall. Click the double arrows between the width and the height to change the orientation. The resolution box allows you to specify resolution for the photo. You don't have to enter anything here to keep the photo at the original resolution. If you are planning to print your photo, enter 300. 300 is the best resolution for printing photos. I will go into more about resolutions in a future tutorial. Place the crop tool in the upper left hand corner where you want to begin the crop. Hold the left mouse button down and drag the crop box diagonally out to where you want to crop. You will be able to move and resize the crop later, so this doesn't have to be exact. Now let go of your mouse button. The dark area around the crop will be trimmed out of the photo. If the crop isn't the size you want, it can easily be adjusted. On the sides and corners of the crop box, you will see small squares. Place your mouse over any of these. Hold the left button down and drag it out to the size you want. The aspect ratio will be kept as you do this unless you are using the unrestricted ratio. The crop box can be moved by placing your mouse pointer anywhere in the crop box. Hold down the left mouse button and move the crop box to where you want it. Once you have your crop sized and positioned, select it. In the bottom left-hand corner of the crop box is a check mark. Click this to set the crop. If you are happy with the look of the crop picture, save it. This is a picture of my granddaughter's baptism. I would like to have separate photos of each of them being baptized. To do a crop like this, choose the crop tool. In the aspect ratio, I am choosing 4x6 this time. The crop needs to be changed from landscape to portrait. Click the double arrows to change the orientation. The width and height boxes will show the change to 4 inches wide and 6 inches high. The resolution is being set to 300 to ensure good quality when this photo is printed. Pull out the crop box around the area you would like to crop. Adjust the size of the crop, then click the check mark in the lower right hand corner of the crop box. Once you've got the crop you want, choose Save. If you don't like this crop, go up to the top and click the Undo button. That will undo the crop and you can start over again. Thank you for watching this video on cropping. At the end of this video, there's a link taking you to the channel page for tutorials for newbies. You will find a list of other Photoshop Elements tutorials there. Please rate and comment on this video.